Welcome back to 4-Star English Learning Channel. Today we're going to listen to a basic English conversation about traveling. This is a great way to learn daily use English sentences that you can use while planning your next trip. Let's start the conversation between Jason and Sara.
Hi, Sarah. Good morning. How are you today?
Hey, Jason, I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm great. Actually, I have some exciting news to share.
Oh, really? What's that?
I'm finally going on my first international trip.
Wow, that's amazing. Where are you going, Jason?
I'm traveling to Dubai next week. I'm super excited, but also a little nervous.
Don't worry, that's normal. Traveling for the first time can be a little stressful, but it's also really fun.
Yeah, I hope everything goes smoothly. I've already booked my flight and hotel.
That's great. Did you check your passport and visa?
Yes, I did. My passport is ready, and my visa got approved yesterday.
Perfect. Make sure you print a copy of your ticket and keep it in your bag.
Oh, I didn't think about that. Thanks for the reminder.
No problem. Also pack light. Don't carry too many clothes, just the things you really need.
Yeah, that makes sense. I always end up packing too much.
By the way, what airline are you flying with?
Emirates. I've heard their service is really good.
Yes, it is. They're one of the best airlines. During the flight, the staff is very polite and helpful.
That's good to know. I'm also excited to see the view from the window.
Oh yes, sitting by the window is the best. Just make sure to fasten your seatbelt when the plane takes off.
Got it. I'll remember that. What kind of questions do they ask at the airport?
Usually very simple ones, like, where are you traveling? Or what's the purpose of your visit?
Okay. And what should I say?
Just answer honestly. For example, you can say, I'm traveling for vacation, or I'm visiting family.
That sounds easy enough.
Oh, and don't forget to arrive at the airport early,
How early should I be there?
at least 3 hours before your flight. You'll need time for check-in, security, and immigration.
Yeah, I don't want to be late. I'll go early for sure.
That's the spirit. Once you check in, go to the boarding gate on time. Listen carefully to the announcements.
Got it. Thanks, Sarah. You're like my travel guide.
You can say that. I just love traveling, so I've learned a lot from experience.
What do you usually take with you when you travel?
My passport, phone charger, some snacks, and always a travel pillow.
Oh, that's a good idea. I'll take a pillow too. The flight is around 3 hours long.
Perfect. And one more tip, carry a pen with you. You might need to fill out a form on the plane.
I would never think of that. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Traveling is easy when you're prepared.
What about the hotel? Is it hard to check in?
Not at all. Just go to the reception and say, I have a reservation under the name of Ali.
Okay, that's simple.
They might ask for your passport to verify your booking. After that, they'll give you your room key or card.
Got it. And if I need something, how can I ask politely?
You can say, could you please send a towel to my room? Or, can I have an extra pillow, please?
That sounds nice and polite.
Yes, always remember to be polite. It makes a big difference.
What if I want to go sightseeing?
You can ask the hotel staff, can you recommend some tourist places nearby? Or you can say, how can I get to the shopping mall?
Great! I really want to visit Burj Khalifa.
Then you can say to the taxi driver, please take me to Burj Khalifa. And when you reach, say, how much is the fare?
Perfect. I'm writing these sentences down.
Good idea. Practicing before you travel will make you sound more confident.
What if I don't understand someone's English?
You can politely say, I'm sorry, could you please repeat that? Or can you speak slowly, please?
Ah, that's useful. Sometimes people speak too fast.
Yes, that happens. But don't worry, just smile and ask again. Most people are happy to help travelers.
That's nice. I guess traveling helps improve English too, right?
Absolutely. You'll hear different accents, new words, and real conversations. It's the best way to practice English naturally.
That's awesome. I can't wait to start my journey.
You'll do great, Jason. Just stay calm, be polite, and enjoy every moment.
That was a lovely conversation between Jason and Sara about traveling. Did you learn some new English sentences today? Let's review a few useful ones. Where are you going? Have you booked your flight? What time is your flight? I have a reservation under the name of, could you please help me? How much is the fare? Can you speak slowly, please? Practice these sentences and use them whenever you travel. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 4-Star English Learning Channel for more real-life English conversations. Thank you for watching.